Ir-rappreżentanti barranin tal-European Broadcasting Union li kienu f'pajjiżna fl-aħħar tal-ġimgħa ma kinux jafu li għall-ikla li ġiet organizzata għalihom fil-Palazz tal-Girgenti l-ħamis fil-għaxija kienu qed jiġu servuti minn pulizija libsin ta' waiters. Fl-aħħar jiem dan l-istazzjon żvera kif għal din l-ikla uffiċjali organizzata mill-Gvern għal iktar minn 250 ruħ li m'għandix taqsam mal-korp tal-pulizija, numru ta' pulizija ġew użati biex jisajru l-ikel u jqasmuh lil mistiedna. L-ikel kien ippreparat mill-pulizija fil-kċina tad-depow stess. Dan kollu sar mingħajr l-għarfien tal-uffiċjali barranin li kien hawn preżenti Malta, kif der biċ-ċar meta dan l-istazzjon mar jistaqsi lid-delegati dwar dan fit-tieni u l-aħħar jum tal-konferenza l-għada tal-ikla fil-Girgenti. During this dinner you were being served by police who were dressed as waiters.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I didn't know that.
You didn't know it?
No. Actually, I saw some policemen playing for us, but I didn't guess that the waiters also were policemen.
No, I had no idea about that.
We were not aware of that situation.
I had no idea that I was controlled by them. If they were there, they would have found nothing spectacular. No, I had no idea. No, I didn't know. But I'd love to have more information on that, and I think maybe you should ask for it.
No, no, they really did not look like a policeman.
Did you know about it?
No, sorry, it's something new about me. What happened there? I don't know.
You think that it goes against the code of ethics?
Yeah, I think so.
L-użu tal-pulizija biex jagħmluha ta' waiters wassal ukoll biex pajjiżna ġie mqabbel minn wieħed mid-delegati sa ċertu punt maċ-Ċina, kif spjega magħna dan il-ġurnalist li għamel żmien korrispondent maċ-Ċina.
I was a correspondent a long time ago in the Republic of China, so that I have experience about this kind of situation. I feel quiet because I'm a journalist and I was a correspondent in very dangerous places, so that I have no fear about myself, but nevertheless I am conscious about this situation is not very normal. Yeah.
U mifhum kif żverajna nhar il-ġimgħa li għal din l-ikla il-Ministeru tal-Intern u s-Sigurtà Nazzjonali bagħata l-25 pulizija biex jiservu l-ikel bħala waiters. Jidher li l-pulizija kienu mġiela jabbandunaw id-diversi ansess fejn huma stazzjonati u kienu mistennija jagħmluha ta' waiters bħala parti mid-doveri normali tagħhom bħala pulizija mingħajr l-ebda ħlas ekstra.